Ashley, and I'm back to do another video, and this video is going to be a little first impression slash show and tell video of the Missy Lynn palette that I finally got my hands onto. So I've been eyeing this palette since it came out. I've literally been watching reviews after reviews after reviews on it, trying to figure out if I should get this palette, and I finally said, you know what, Ashley, you should go ahead and get this palette. I am going on vacation in March. I am going to the beautiful island of Jamaica in March, so I wanted to get like a one-stop shop when it came to like eyeshadows and highlighters and stuff, and I was like, girl, you better go get that Missy Lynn palette because everybody be talking about it. So I finally went ahead to BH Cosmetics website and purchased the palette. Now the palette was $9. It was on special, so affordable, and shipping to Canada was $5, so I paid a total of $14 for this palette, which is so affordable considering it includes shipping to Canada, and we all know shipping to Canada is really expensive. Okay, you ladies in the States got it real easy when it comes to shipping, because shipping to the States is so easy. Half of the time shipping is free. Okay, so y'all better be happy that y'all got the free shipping. Okay, so first things first, when I just got the palette, I was like, oh my gosh, the packaging is 10 times cuter in person. So it is purple and it has the chains on it, and it says Missy Lynn palette eyeshadow and baked highlighters on it, and it does have the dog tag that she was talking about, and then the back just has a little spiel about her and also the ingredients and all that good stuff. So it is nice and sturdy and perfect for like traveling and things like that. So yes, I really love the packaging. So once you go ahead and open the palette, this is what it looks like. It does have a mirror on the top, and underneath the mirror it says start with confidence, finished with success. So I thought that was just such a nice little cute saying that she included there. So that is what it's under the mirror, and then these are the 6 eyeshadows and the 2 baked highlighters, which I've heard you can also use as eyeshadow, so that's a plus. So I have heard that this palette is very women of color friendly, and I'm hoping that the same works out for me, because you know, certain colors might show up on certain skin tones and might not show up on other skin tones. So I'm hoping that the colors at least show up for me so that I can say yes, it is definitely women of color friendly. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the colors really quickly so that you guys can see it. So here is a swatch of all 6 of the eyeshadow colors, and as you can see, they are very pretty. The dark blue and the purple are absolutely gorgeous, and the white frosty color is absolutely beautiful. And then there are these 2 brown colors and a darker brown color down here, which are perfect to use for like transitioning colors and nice neutral eye looks. So yes, I am pretty impressed with the color payoff considering it is women of color friendly. Here are the 2 highlighter colors. They are very pretty and can easily be used as an eyeshadow to create a nice pretty gold eye look. So yes, here are the colors, and I am quite impressed. I am happy with the palette. So I am really excited to try the palette and create a really pretty neutral eye look. I've seen a lot of people use the purples and things like that, and they come out really pretty. So I'm excited to try the purples and the dark colors also and create a really nice natural neutral eye shade and all that good stuff. So yes, I will say you guys should definitely get your hands on the Missy Lynn palette. 1, it is super affordable, and 2, it is women of color friendly. So if you are of the darker complexion, it's definitely going to work for you. You have options to create different eyeshadow looks. So yes, I'm excited to try this palette out, and I will leave a link down below to the palette on their website if you guys are thinking of ordering it. Do not forget, Missy Lynn also has other products. She has some lipsticks too that I've heard a lot about. I haven't personally got my hands on her lipsticks as yet, but I do plan to as soon as probably when I come back from Jamaica. I'll probably get the lipsticks. So yeah, look out for that video when it comes out. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this show and tell video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, then definitely leave them down below. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye!